In this video, I'm going to open this Smartbud Ear Cleaner. I'm going to show you what it's like and how to use it. So if that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place, so stick around. Alright, so I've swapped over cameras so I can use my mobile if I need to. So forgive me if it's a little bit bumpy because it's on the webcam. So we're just going to get straight into this and open it up. So let's see how we do. I was going to take my glasses off because we don't need them on because everything's all close up. I say we, it's only me really, isn't it? Right, okay. You can't see what I'm doing very well, so I'll just hold it up. So just taking off the cellophane. Get rid of that. So we've got the box now. Okay, there's some instructions. Put that to one side. Now they did send me another tub with some ear thingies in it, so 2 spare ones, and it looks like there's 2 in the packet. I'll show it to you so you can see what you're looking at. So here, there's an extra one there, and there's one on the Smartbud themselves, and then there's a USB. You see? All right, so I guess what I'm going to do is plug it in my phone and see how it goes. I don't want to read the instructions yet. It's cheating. It's a very, very small USB. But it's it's not USB-C, it's the old USB. Alright. There's no power at the moment, but probably needs to be plugged in. So let's get hold of the phone. I'm going to do all this straight away without even... Oh, hang on. Ah, no. It's the wrong USB. I need an adapter. I do have an adapter. In my trusty tech bag. I'll leave the link down below. This is a brilliant little tech bag. It's got lots and lots and lots of different pockets in it, and I do believe I have a yes. Oops, now I've dropped it on the floor. Got a little tiny old USB to USB-C. So we chuck that on there, like so, and then we can put it on the phone now. And oh, I was completely wrong. I don't need to do that. This is what happens when you don't read instructions. What you need to do is plug it into the actual Smartbud itself. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I plugged it in, but I need to know more, so I'm going to look at the instructions. So it tells me I need to download the app. I can scan the QR code, like so, and then I'll connect the product Wi-Fi. Oh, I've got to do lots of stuff, so I'll go and do that now, and then I'll come back, and then we'll use it for the first time, then we'll see how it goes. Back in a sec. Okay, so I've installed the app. It's called Bearbird app. It's all self-explanatory on the instructions, so you have to do exactly what it says. You go to connect to the Wi-Fi of the actual Smartbud itself, and then you can go ahead and use it. So everything's all ready for me to use, so I'm going to go and use it now. It's been charging, so I'll just unplug that. Unplug that. So I press and hold to turn it on. Press and hold to turn it on. There we go. See the light on it now? And then there we go, it's come up on my phone. You see, so if I press the green button, now I can see what's happening at the end of it. That's so strange. Okay, so here we go. Here goes nothing. I'm just going to go ahead and put it straight in my ear and see how we go. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Okay, turn it around. I can't see very well. I have to get it in the right angle. Ooh, there's a bit minging in there. Oh, it's really hard to... Look at these tickles. It's really tickly. Let's see if I can show you what I can see. In fact, I've got a better idea. I can record the screen on my... You can't see what I'm seeing, but I'm just going to pause it for a second, and then I'll set up and record the screen on my phone so you can see what I'm seeing. Okay, so I'm recording this screen now, so if you don't want to see this, don't watch it. This is going in my ear. Isn't that strange how you can turn around? Okay, if I get it, I've got to get it in the right angle. So that's nowhere near. I turn it around. It's really quite difficult to get it in. Maybe I need to go in like that. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Oh, wow. That's a bit gross, isn't it? Can I skip that? Oh my god. That actually looked a lot more than I thought it was going to be, but oh my goodness. You can't see it on there, but you can see it at the end. I need a bit of tissue, so I'm just going to leave it there because you get the idea of it. It is really, really cool. There's so much wax on there, it's unbelievable. So yeah, it works really well, and I think it's going to clear out my ears quite nicely. I'm going to go ahead and carry on. Also got to wipe it in some tissue. It's got some spare buds as well, which is amazing. So I would say Smartbud, brilliant. If you want to clear out your ears, works so well. I mean, yuck, but it works really well. Okay, just a quick update on my feelings since I recorded that video. What's happened since I carried on using it on that episode. So I carried on using the earbud on both ears, and what I've actually done is I think I've pushed the wax further into my ear over my eardrum, so it actually made it worse. Then I went swimming the next day and I got water in my ear and I couldn't hear anything. I went to bed and was so deaf I couldn't hear anything. I woke up in the morning crazy, and it took ages to get better. I went to the pharmacy. They suggested I go and get my ears tested, so I've had to book an appointment to get my ears tested and probably get my ears syringed. So I've completely ruined my ears, but it's getting better. It feels a lot better now. It's been like a week now. So I'm not saying it's a Smartbud's fault, but it's probably just user error. I think I just squished it in too far. But on that basis, I'm probably not going to use it again, and I wouldn't recommend it myself to anybody who asks me if they should be using it. So if you're a bit of a plonker like me and you're just going to push it in really far and see what else you can get in there, then I probably wouldn't recommend it. But if you're sensible and you do it properly and just do a little bit here and there, I think it might be okay. Just got to be careful. Don't push it in all the way. So more of the story, be careful. Okay, so that's it from me. I've been Lee's Tech Room. See you later. Bye.